Meme sedang mandi di halaman rumah di Kampung Poka. Ada banyak sekali yang menonton Meme mandi.
Sama saya di pondok
Santa Claus today membagikan permen, we call permen karet. Banyak anak di sini. Iya bisa.
Lebih besar daripada Meme.
Apa sih pohon itu Anda?
Meme sama tahu semua juga.
Ngeleceh apa Pak? Tak dafli memang itu. Tak dafli memang.
Tak lancar otak.
Tak daftar. Pak Thomas gambar sedang menonton permainan Ibu Clara. Meme sedang mandi saat hujan turun. Ada teman baru, anak kecil. Orang kampung membawa air untuk Meme. Orang kampung sangat baik hati. Bermain bola air di sini. Nonton permainan asik sekali. Ini istrinya Vance, namanya Ina. Pakai kolela Johnson.
Berani
Di Santa Claus ya. Many mothers, many kids here. The stone.
Tulis kolel, tulis kolel. 6.
Tulis. They said they are glad to meet Meme. Elsa, tulis apa di situ?
One kid in this whole town that's Ronnie. Senang ini? Siapa lain? How about Ibu? Ibu coba? Ibu ini? Tidak coba? No? Coba ini? Apa? Takut? Tidak. What? Everybody's filling my pool for me. In this great kampung and forest. Hi Eric. Johnny, di mana? Di mana sekarang?
Saya sekarang di Poka.
Ya. Rumah siapa?
Tempat tinggal rumah kandung sendiri.
Ya.
Anak ayam kandung dari jantan dari timur.
Ya. And okay, ada rumah bagus di sini, besar.
Bagus, besar.
Ya. Senang tinggal di sini?
Senang.
Mengapa?
Karena baik.
Ya, bisa mendekatkan.
Ya,
Oh, bisa lihat semuanya di sana.
boleh.
Yes, bisa.
Bisa.
There's tetangga.
Ya.
Hi, everybody. Siapa?
Oke.
Hi.
Baik. Tetangga di
Come
Boka.
on. Yeah. And all the kids that follow me everywhere I go. I can't go anywhere. I can't take a bath. The orang Poka. Orang Rama sekali. Rama. Cantik. Cantik sekali. Dadah. 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 Dah.
Hello, ready system.
Dadah. Dadah.
Arbak. John, nyanyi John.
Omar Bakre. Ku kenang selalu mesraan ini. Ingin ku kenang selalu. Ku damai.
Gimana semuanya di Flores? Telepon home. Nganjuk. Salam buat Marcel dan Neni dan teman baru yang lain. See you. Sampai nanti.
Meme pamitan. Say goodbye with all people here. Many people. Say goodbye with John.
Dengan suami mungkin anak meme.
Say all people here say goodbye to us, Meme. Say goodbye.
Tahun depan. Bawa suami mungkin anak meme datang. Satu anak meme masih muda, belum kawan siapa tahu. Buat meme punya menantu dari sini. And they said they were going to cry when Meme left. One lady, 60 years old, said they're all going to cry. Polka. Goodbye, Polka. Gave the flute for some of the kids, but probably great therapy for John. Really like this kid. Seems like he's in another world right now. What did he see? What did he see that was too hard for him to handle? Maybe a bomb. That's what he says.
Bagus
Hi,
sekali.
John. I'm gonna miss you. If he had stayed here, would he be okay right now? Will he ever be okay again? Right now, I'm gonna write out advice for the people in the compound how to help him, because I might not be a psychiatrist, but there isn't one here. Finally, water. It's been in constant use ever since they got it fixed. Bathing, washing clothes, whatever. I love this compound. Wouldn't have missed this experience for anything in the world.